With our policy stance significantly less restrictive than it had been and the economy remaining strong, we do not need to be in a hurry to adjust our policy stance. At today's meeting, the committee decided to maintain the target range for the federal funds rate at 4.25% to 4.5%.
All right, folks, it's official. The Fed's done playing with interest rates and they hit us with a pause. But what does that mean for your pockets? Sharon said this video, we finna do a rapid fire review of what the Fed's decision was and what that means for your wallet. First off, checking accounts. You ain't gonna see much change there. If you're lucky, account's giving you a whole 0.07%. Yeah, you heard that right. Like, it's barely worth noting, so we're gonna go ahead and just move on. Next up, savings accounts. Not much better, really. We're talking under 0.41%. That ain't even enough to keep up with Netflix's price increases. But now let's talk about high yield savings accounts. Right now, they're still paying at around 4% on average. Though you can find some higher ones, so stay diligent. So get on your Googles and find one of those. You know, if you want to make your money do something besides just sit there. Now, mortgages and personal loans. Yeah, these bitches tripping. Mortgage rates are still stuck at 7%, and personal loan rates are hovering at around 12%. Honestly, you'd be better off trying to find a treasure chest. But here's where we might see a little relief, and that is in credit cards. Those interest rates have been out of control, hitting over 21%. But there's been rumor talk of an incoming 10% cap rate, lowering down that interest rate and lowering the burden on you. And with credit card debt busting out the plastic and acting brand new, this is a big help for millions. But here's also a hack that you could use. Call up your credit card company. Tell them you've been making regular payments on time and ask for a lower rate. A lot of times they'll hook you up. A lot of people don't often try this because oftentimes they don't know. I predict it's going to be a real minute before we see any real change from the Fed on any type of interest rate. Especially looking at the price of eggs, inflation through the roof, it's kind of hard for them to counteract. Just stay down, stay safe, and focus this season on stacking your book. Because at this point, it's the only way to get ahead. Share and say this video. And make sure you follow Hilo Wallets. I don't do this for my health. You believe.